Hello and welcome to the 11th lesson of our WordPress Beginner to Advanced course, where our ultimate goal is to become job ready to start providing freelance services with WordPress and Elementor on Upwork, Fiverr, or whatever freelance marketplace you would love to work on. So without further ado, let me give you some information regarding this specific lesson, what you are going to learn. I'm going to cover everything you need to learn about tools option available on your WordPress backend. I'm going to cover how categories and tag converter works on a WordPress website, and I'm going to talk about import and export stuffs, and actually I'm going to show you in real example how to export and import data, like how to migrate data from one WordPress website to another WordPress website. This is one of the most important skills you should know about WordPress. Then I'm going to talk about site health, export and erase personal data things as well. So let me take you to my WordPress backend here, and after that, whenever I'm hovering over on tools, you are going to find these options: available tools, import, export, site health, export and erase personal data things. So let's go with this available tools option. Just take a look. We have got this categories and tags converter. This is a plugin. After installing this plugin, we'll be able to convert all the existed categories to tags on our WordPress website. We'll be able to convert all the existed tags to categories from our WordPress website. So let me show you in real example. If I click on this button here, it is going to take us to this plugins page, and as you can see here, we have got this install now option. So let me click on install now button, and it's going to be installed, and after installing, we'll be able to convert existing categories to tags or tags to categories selectively. So as you can see, we have got importer installed successfully. If I click on this run importer or this run importer, this tool is going to start working for us. Actually, we'll be able to make it work for us. So let me click on this run importer, and after that, it is going to load all the categories available on our WordPress website. As you can see, as of now, we have got these 3 categories. Now we can select all of them at once by clicking on this button, or we can select manually. So let me just unselect this uncategorized. I don't want uncategorized to be transferred into our tags option. I want freelancing and WordPress to be converted to tags. So if I click on convert categories to tags button, and now if I show you from posts, from categories, you are going to find only one category available here, which is uncategorized. And on let's say from tags, if I open this tags in a new tab, you are going to find that we have got this freelancing category and this WordPress category added to our page tags option. All right, so now let's say you want to convert some tags into categories. So how we can do this? Pretty simple. Simply go back here, and after coming here on your importer, if you click on this button, text to categories. So let me click here, and then I want this freelancing and this WordPress to be converted again to categories as they were. So let me click on convert text to categories, and now they are going to be available under categories. If I open categories here, just take a look, we have added freelancing and WordPress again into this categories library. All right, so this is how this converter works. Now let's talk about import and export. So first of all, before I show you and talk about import things, let me talk about export things. So if I click on export, you will be able to export all the contents available on a WordPress site, which includes posts, pages, comments, custom fields, terms, navigation menus, and custom posts. Everything is going to be exported in an XML file, and then we'll be able to import this exported file into a new WordPress installed site, so that we'll have all the data from this website, which is content rich currently. As if I show you, we have got these let me show you these blog posts. We are going to find all these blog posts in our newly installed WordPress website. I'm going to show you in real example. So let me just, and as you can see, we have got these options. You'll be able to select any one of these things. Like you can only export posts if you want, you can export pages only if you want, or we can export everything like page, post, custom contact forms, media, etc. So let me take everything. Let's click on download export file, and then let me save this into my download folder, and just take a look. We have got this XML file which is containing everything, all the posts, all the pages, all the navigation menus, contact forms, everything of this website, and now we'll be able to import them into a new website. So let me just show you in real example. So to show you the process, I have to create a new website. So if you have watched my second lesson, you should know how to create a website on your local server. So I'm actually going to take you here, and after that I'm going to downloads from here, and then we are going to take WordPress files. So as you can see, WordPress, which we extracted in the second lesson. So I'm going to copy everything from here to save my time, and then I'm going to take you to my L drive where we have got our XAMPP installed. So let me open XAMPP, and after that this htdocs. Then I'm going to open a new folder here with the name of, let's say, new site. Okay, new site only. And our previous one was my website. We are currently working on new site. So let me just open it up and paste the contents which we just copied from WordPress folder. Okay, so when it is going to be copied and pasted here, and if we just go back here and we type localhost, and instead of my website, if I type out new site and hit enter, it is going to take us to this WordPress installation page. And if I click on continue, so let's just proceed so that I'll be able to explain everything to you. I've just went to this page where we have to create our database username password. So let me take you to localhost / then my php myadmin, hit enter, and after that we are going to click on databases. Then let's create a new database. So I'm going to type out new site, and let's click on create. I'm going to save these things here. Okay, database, new site. Okay, and after that I have to create a new user. To create a new user, as you can see, we have got new site selected here. Now we have to go to this privilege, then we have to create a new user actually by clicking on add user account. So let me type out here, let's say Azharul Rafi, and then I'm going to select the host name to localhost. Okay, so Azharul Rafi is already existed, so I'm going to type out Azharul Rafi 1. So I'm going to type out this one right here, user Azharul Rafi 1. All right, and then I'm going to select the password. So I'm going to generate a strong password from here. Let's copy this password, take this password right here. Okay, and then we are going to click on this, actually going to give the global privileges. So let's click on check all, and after that let's click on go button here. So we have got a new user account created, user database. Okay, database user account, so which is Azharul Rafi 1. So let me take you back on our WordPress installation page, or actually the database installation page, and let's click on let's go. And after that I'm going to type out the database name, which was new site. Then we have entered the username Azharul Rafi 1, and then the password which we have got here, I'm going to copy this password and paste it right here. Database is already selected to localhost. Now I'm going to change the tuple prefix to Azharul Rafi 1 _, and then let's click on submit. And here we go, we are done with the database connection with this installation. Let's click on run the installation, so that we'll have this WordPress installation page. Let me type out the site title, our second web page or website. Then I'm going to type out my username, which I used for the first username, because this is totally fine to use same username and password for your WordPress installations. So let me type out 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and @ which was very weak, so no worries. Then I'm going to type out my email address and discourage search engines. Then you should know everything here. I am showing you if you have watched my second lesson where I explained everything, right? So if you have missed the video, I'm going to attach the link of this video into the description field below for you. All right, so let's click on install WordPress, and it is going to install a complete new WordPress website. So let's just wait while it is being installed. And here we go, we have got success. WordPress has been installed. Now it's time to log in. So let me click on login, and after that I'm going to type out my username, which is Rafi, and I provided the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 @. And if you just notice, we are now on localhost / new site WP login. So let me click on login. Oh, okay, so something wrong. So Rafi 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 @, hit enter. And here we go, here on WordPress dashboard of our new website. So let me just cross this out from here. And if I visit this website in a new tab, you are going to find we have got our second website created. Now, if I show you the post number, we are going to see only one post appearing here. So let me just trust this out. Okay. And from pages, if I take you to the pages, we have got these pages. I'm going to trust them out, and I'm going to show you move to trash, and let's click on apply. And here we go. We have got nothing here on this page. We have got nothing here on this post as well. Now in this page, in this website, I want to extract all the blog posts which you have exported here on this website. Okay, so let me show you. Simply go to tools, then go to import, and it is going to take us again to this plugins page in the new website. And after that, we have to install WordPress again to this website, our newly created website, so that you will be able to import post, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, etc. from our previous XML document. So let me click on install now here. It is being installed, and okay, so just take a look. We have got it installed. Importer installed successfully. Now let's click on run importer, and it is going to take us to this page where we have to select the XML file. So let's click on choose file, and we have got this file which is containing the data. So let me select this one. Let's click on open. If I click on upload file and import, and then I'm going to click on submit again, it is going to take around few seconds, and then it is going to show us that the import has been successful. So let's just wait and see how it goes. Yeah, here we go, all done, have fun. So we have got everything installed. So now if I just take you here on this post page, you are going to see all the pages we had on our previous website. If I take you to the posts, all the posts actually available here, these are also available on our WordPress website. So this is how we migrate data from one website to another website for our clients. Pretty simple, but there are some other ways to get all the designs as well, because if I now reload this page, you are going to see that we have got the basic settings here, like basic template, but we have got some other options, some other ways how we can actually input everything. This style, these themes, everything is going to be installed in our new WordPress website, and which we are going to learn in our future uploads for sure. All right, guys. So this was the process how import and export stuffs work on WordPress websites. So now let's go for the next option, which is site health. So I'm going to take you to site health from tools, site health. Let's click on it, and you are going to find results are still loading. So you're going to find about your WordPress site's condition. As you can see, one critical issue, one or more required modules are missing. So as we are working on our local server, we are actually seeing this option here, this issue here, but it is going to be already rid of. We are going to get rid of this thing when we'll work on live server. All right, so no worries about this, but you are going to find few other options, like few other recommendation how we can improve our website. You should remove inactive plugins. So if and just click, you should remove inactive themes. Your site does not have as HTTPS. So let me explain this HTTPS first, and then I'm going to show you how to remove inactive plugins, how to remove inactive themes as well. So first of all, let me visit, let's say, Learner's World. And if you just notice, we are seeing this padlock. That means this website is secured. Okay, so just take a look, connection is secured, and we have enabled HTTPS here. For this reason, we are seeing this connection is secured. But in this website, we don't have this HTTPS enabled because we haven't yet got to that place yet, right? So we are going to enable HTTPS things in our live work. So let's just ignore this one, but I'm going to show you how we can remove plugins and themes from your WordPress website. Simple. If we just visit to your plugins page from here, you are going to find all the list of inactive plugins. As you can see, I'm seeing Akismat Anti-Spam is currently inactive. We can simply click here on delete, and delete, it is going to be deleted. And if we need, we can again import it or actually add a new plugin for sure by following the previous lesson which we have learned. And then let me show you how you can uninstall or delete a theme from your WordPress website. Simply go to appearance, go to themes, and then you are going to find all the themes available. As you can see, currently we have got this 2021 is active, but these three themes are not active on our WordPress website. If I just click here, we are going to find this delete button right here. So let's delete, and let me delete two other themes from here, and let's see if the status goes a little improved. So here we go, you have got only one theme installed. Now if I take you back to tools and then site health, we have got only one issue here. Okay, so and another thing I'm seeing, like you have themes waiting to be updated. So now we have to learn something new. So let me just take you back to appearance themes, and then this theme actually have an update. So as you can see, update, there is a new version of 2021 available. So you can simply click on update now, and it is going to automatically work for you. It is going to take a few seconds to get this theme updated, and then we'll get rid of this notification. Our current theme is currently updated. So now if I take you back to tools and then this site health button again, or option again, you are going to see that we have got these other critical informations removed, and from info section you are going to find the statistics of your website. So we can simply ignore these things, like where we are using what things, etc. As you can see, the version of WordPress, the active plugins, we have got 2 active plugins, contact from 7 categories. Okay, active themes, which is currently active. So everything, every statistics of your WordPress website. All right, so now let's go for the next option, which is our export personal data. So let's say some users have made some blog posts on your website, or they have made some blog comments. So by the rule of GDPR, if a user asks their personal information, what are the actions they have taken on your blog site, if they ask you to provide them this information, you have to provide. And then the process is simply click on export personal data, and you have to provide the email address here, then click on send request. Then you will get an email to your inbox, and then you just have to confirm, and then you'll be able to download the data of the user on your computer. Okay, then you can submit, or you can send the data to the user who requested the files. Now let's go for the erase personal data. Let's say some user have placed so many comments, so many blog posts for you, but for some reason now they want to get everything deleted from your site. Same thing, you have to provide the email address here, send request, and then you will find the option to remove their data from your WordPress database. All right, so these are not that important stuffs as of now, so we can simply ignore. All right guys, so this was it for this video. I believe I was able to explain everything to you nicely in a clear way. You have been able to understand what I was about to teach you throughout this lesson. If you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like, share this video and the whole course with your friends through your social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or whatever platform you are using, and let me know your opinions by commenting below. Subscribe to my channel again if you haven't yet. I have to see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much guys.